Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel, and in today's video you will learn how to clone my repository on your GitHub account and then connect your GitHub account to Render and deploy my repository through your GitHub on Render. It seems confusing, but it is not. So let's get started. First, search for Raj K. Kapadia and you will find this profile. Here in the repository section, search for the repository you want to deploy. So let's say I want to deploy one repository that is just a demo code for Render. So I will first, it's very helpful if you give a star to the repository because it helps me. So I'll give star to the repository. Then I'll click on fork. Now when you click on fork, this repository will be cloned into your account. So I'll click create fork. Now you can see that this repository is under Logan Wolf account, but it is forked from Raj Kapadia YouTube Render Python. In case, so this is my account. In case I'll push some changes here, you will see here that this repository is something behind of the original repository. So you click on that and merge the changes. So once the repository in your account, go to Render, create your account if you don't have with a valid email address, and it will send a verification email on that email address. Just verify your account. Before verification, it will not deploy the service on their server. Once you do that, you go to this account section and connect your GitHub repository. Make sure you provide the same GitHub repository you cloned my work from. So once you connected GitHub account, click on web service, then search for it says that connect GitHub account. I already did that, but maybe there was some glitch. So I'll click on connect GitHub account. Maybe there is something which I wasn't able to understand, but it's okay. So I'll click on new web service, and again it says that connect GitHub account. Okay, let me just disconnect this. I need to provide a password here. So I will very quickly disconnect this and connect my GitHub account. Yeah, it is now connected. You can see that it is now connected. Now I'll click on web service, troubleshoot your GitHub connection. Okay, install. Now hopefully I'll be able to see the repository now. Yeah, so now I can see my GitHub repository. I will click on connect. I will provide a valid name for my application, and that will be part of my URL. So let's say test GitHub fork. I'll choose the region which is nearest to me. Then it says that Gunicon app app. So this first app is a file that you want to run. So if I go to my repository, there is app.py, and yeah, I want to run that app.py file. So it's okay. But in case the file name is different, then you need to change that. Then in the advanced section, there will be add environment variable button. So you can click on that and you can add environment variables here, key and value. You can add as many as you want. And once you add all the environment variables, click on create web service. It will start the deployment process, and it may take about few minutes based on the load on render at that particular point of time. So let's wait for it to deploy. Yeah, you can see uploading build. And it's now deploying. Yeah, it has started our service, and you can see the service is started. Your service is live, and you can see here a green box with white live text. And when you click on this, you'll see that our application is working. So this is how you can fork existing repository from my account to your account and connect that to render and use that repository to deploy as a service. So I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video, and if you do so, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps